How to fix Google Play Store billing payment unavailable problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fix if your Google Play Store's billing payment is unavailable. So the first thing you have to do is open up Play Store and make sure you are logged into your account. Now I'm going to check your billing options. For that, head over to your profile icon at the top right corner. Then you want to scroll down and find settings. From your settings, go over to general and tap on it, and as you can see here, the purchase verification settings have been moved to payments and subscription in your profile, so it's no longer available here. So let's just go back, go to profile again, and then find payments and subscription over here. Tap on it, go over to payment methods, and here you will find your card information. You can just go ahead and tap on it. If you go over to more payment settings, it's going to take you to Google Play Store, and then you can easily manage your cards over here. Now, if your card is unavailable, then you need to go ahead and first verify it's you. Now you can use your PIN or fingerprint to verify that it is really you. Then what you need to do here is you can remove your card details and then add it back again. And if that doesn't work, then long press on your Play Store, tap on the I button, and it will take you over to app info. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and go to storage. Tap on clear cache first. Then you want to tap on clear data. What it's going to do is it's going to remove all of your files, database settings, and everything, including your payment details, which you're going to have to add it back again. Tap on delete, and then you want to go back, go over to permission. Make sure all these permissions are allowed. And then finally, you want to go back to your Play Store and add your account and card details. After doing so, just restart your device once and you should be having no issues. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.